If you are having problem in compressing your vocals, here are the solution for you. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually use compressor as a pro whenever you are mixing your vocals. If this is your first time of watching video in my channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out in our new update. For that being said, let's dive into the main video of the day. So in my FL Studio, the first thing we need to do is for us to head over to our mixer and go to where our vocals is being linked to. And then when we click there, I was only applying auto tune. If you're having problem in how you can actually use auto tune, I will leave a link in the description of this video, or I will show you a link in this video that you can actually go and watch and see how you can actually use auto tune like a pro for yourself. So let's go ahead and hear how this vocal sounds before we start compressing it.
Yeah, you know, never wanna let you down, girl, I swear.
If you are watching this video from your mobile phone, please make sure you use your headset. If you are watching it with your system, please make sure you are using your monitor speaker in order for you to actually hear what we are doing. So the first thing we need to do is for us to head over and load in our compressor. So for this, I'm going to use compressor from FL Studio, which is called Fruity Compressor. Here is the compressor. So the three basic things you need to look up to when you are using a compressor is the threshold, the ratio, and the gain. Now let me explain. The threshold actually means so when I'm trying to compress, the first thing I do is I set up my threshold to around 2.1 or to 2.5 depending on the kind of vocals I'm having. So let's just play it, and when I'm playing it, I'm going to bring down this threshold so I can hear when my vocals are now start to sound perfectly. So let's play.
Yeah, you know, never wanna let you down, girl, I swear. Yeah, you be my one.
As I'm hearing now, it's like my vocals are now sound consistently with each other. So it's for me to make the volume to be loud. That's when I'm using the gain knob. So let's hear how it goes.
Yeah, you know, never wanna let you down, girl, I swear. Yeah, you be my own. Man gotta fight for you all day long. Yeah, say now you ain't the ginger.
So right now I have set the compressor to a specific level that I would like it to be. So let's just hear the before and after.
Yeah, you know, never wanna let you down, girl, I swear.
Let's hear the after now.
Yeah, you know, never wanna let you down, girl, I swear. Yeah, you be my own.
That is everything you need to know about compressing. If you really enjoyed this video, like, comment and share this video with your loved ones. This is the easiest way you can actually understand compressing, and you can also use it. If you have any question, you leave it in the comment section. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can use EQ as a pro.